Kiumia kimwe kuma honoka kuhagurwo ni MCAs kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Governor Johnson Sakaja no athiete na mbere kumwo ni mathina na thutha umuthi uyu aking'ethirwo ni kwambatira gwa ciiko cia UHAGUKU wa ugitiri gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi. Na thutha wa Kenya gutetia ciiko cia gutharikirwo gutunyo indo cia bata na kuguraria muthenya barigici, riu thirikari nene ironeka ta ikoyukia gicunjĩ kinene kia ugitiri wa kaunti ino thutha wa Regional Commissioner GILBERT Kitio kuheana mukana.
I want to assure our people that as security agencies, we are on top of things. And what we are doing now, and what we shall be doing with the county city of Nairobi, is that we want to tighten a bit on the aspect of security. We want the county government of Nairobi to assist us in aspects like street lighting, organization of hawkers, organization of the border sector, and others, so that we have an orderly city. Ereti ya kweheria endia miariro gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi ona atwarithia boda iria ti hindi yambiriria riu koya maundu mehe makiria mu ni magwetetwo ta kimwe kia itumi.
Wale ambao ni wachuuzi katika mji wetu wa Nairobi, wale ambao wanafanya kazi ya boda, kwa sababu wafanyikazi wengi wa boda, the majority of them ni watu wazuri sana. Tunawasihi wasikubali watu wengine waingie miongoni mwao kuharibia jina yao. They need to root them out. We have agreed on circles where they operate, the pickup points, the designated areas, operate within those. If you're not in those areas, you will be arrested and no one is going to come to your respite, because we must have order in the city.
Ica-inĩ ikuhĩ matukane maiyĩtwo kũrĩ muthenya barigici, andũ maigana ũna magacemania na ciĩko cia kuhĩrĩrio ndawa cia kwĩrigwo na thutha ũcio magacoka kũiywo. Rĩu Governor Sakaja akiuga ona mũingĩ nĩ ũbataire ũgaikagia ngono andũ a mũthemba ta ũyũ.
Also, us as the public, just like we did during the Mulika MUCII campaign, must be vigilant. There's a toll-free number, 988. You send a message and start with Nairobi and just say, niko hapa Tomboya nimeona mtu aking'oa, niko hapa Kenyatta Avenue nimeona hii, so that we can also assist our security agencies. Huyo mtu ambaye anaenda kupokonywa anaweza kuwa ni mama yako, anaweza kuwa ni dada yako. Gukire uguo thukagia wara-ini cia thitima ona matawa ni ugwetetwo ta njira irahuthirwo ni EKINAI. Maya mothe makigwetagwo Akenya ni moritio metheme kuheana muhu wa maundu gutari. This morning a vehicle whose number plate has been identified and reported to the police was spotted by our officers, again taking part in that kind of vandalism, removing lights and working on the connector points. We hope that prosecution shall be handled expeditiously by the agencies that are concerned.
Let us not entertain people who are siphoning power, people who are vandalizing street lights and any other government infrastructure for that matter, including the road sleepers, the road rails, and other general infrastructure. We must all be responsible persons.
Andu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.